Our planet is full of incredible places. But some of its most breathtaking wonders stay hidden. Tucked away from the tourist crowds. These are the places that rarely appear in glossy brochures or travel ads. Yet they hold beauty so surreal you'd think nature was showing off. Some are hard to reach. Others almost forgotten, and a few look like scenes straight out of another world. Where in the world are you right now? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to see how far this video travels. Alright, let's explore some of Earth's most amazing hidden places. 1. Marble Caves, Chile. Deep in Patagonia. The marble caves shimmer in mesmerizing shades of blue. Over thousands of years, waves carved these formations into smooth marble tunnels. When sunlight hits the turquoise water, the cave walls glow like polished crystal. It feels like stepping into a gemstone carved by nature itself. Hidden far from the busy world. 2. Lake Natron, Tanzania. This blood-red lake is hauntingly beautiful but deadly. Its extreme salt and alkaline levels preserve animals that fall into it, turning them into eerie, stone-like sculptures. Located in the shadow of an active volcano, Lake Natron looks like a painting from another planet. Both stunning and spine-chilling. It is nature's own eerie art gallery frozen in time. 3. Socotra Island, Yemen. Often called the most alien-looking place on Earth, Socotra feels like another planet. It is home to the dragon's blood tree, which bleeds red sap when cut. Because of its isolation, nearly a third of its plants and animals are found nowhere else. It is remote, untouched, and feels like a lost world where every step reveals something completely new. 4. Waitomo Glowworm Caves, New Zealand. Beneath lush green hills lies a galaxy of glowworms lighting up the darkness. Thousands of them hang from cave ceilings, turning the underground rivers into a silent, glowing wonderland. Imagine drifting quietly in a boat while the ceiling sparkles like a sky full of stars. If you could explore any hidden cave on Earth, would you dare to go in? 5. Pamukkale, Turkey. White mineral terraces filled with turquoise water spill down the hillside, creating a view that feels almost unreal. Locals have bathed in these natural pools for centuries, believing the waters have healing powers. Standing here feels like walking across clouds surrounded by shimmering blue pools. It is one of nature's most peaceful masterpieces. 6. Fly Geyser, USA. Hidden in Nevada's desert, this rainbow-colored geyser was formed accidentally when a drilling project struck a geothermal pocket. Now, hot water bursts out continuously, creating mounds coated in red, green, and orange minerals. It looks like something from a science fiction movie, but it is completely real and still growing. 7. Great Blue Hole, Belize. From above, this natural wonder looks like a perfect sapphire ring floating in the sea. It is a massive sinkhole surrounded by coral reefs and crystal-clear waters. Divers from around the world come to explore its underwater caves, ancient stalactites, and mysterious depths. It is breathtaking, but also one of the ocean's most dangerous dives. 8. Crooked Forest, Poland. Around 400 pine trees in this forest all grow with the same strange curve at their base. Bending north before straightening up. No one knows why. Some believe it was caused by human interference. Others think it is a natural phenomenon. Whatever the truth, it remains one of Europe's most mysterious and mesmerizing natural puzzles. 9. Lake Hillier, Australia. This lake is bright pink and stays that way all year long. Even if you scoop it into a bottle, the color never fades. Scientists believe it is due to salt-loving microorganisms. But the exact reason still fascinates people to this day. Would you swim in a pink lake if you had the chance? 10. Wulingyuan Scenic Area, China. This surreal region of over 3,000 sandstone pillars inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. Covered in mist and lush greenery, the stone towers rise dramatically from the forest floor. When the fog rolls in, it feels like standing in another world, a real-life fantasy landscape that no camera can truly capture. (11) Antelope Canyon, USA. Carved by centuries of wind and water, this narrow canyon in Arizona glows in shades of red, gold, and orange. Sunlight filters through its curves, turning the rock walls into glowing waves of color. It is a sacred site to the Navajo people and one of the most photographed natural wonders in the world. 12. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. In the middle of the Karakum Desert, a fiery crater has been burning non-stop since the 1970s after a gas drilling accident. Locals call it the door to hell, and standing near it at night feels both terrifying and awe-inspiring. The flames light up the barren landscape, making it look like the edge of another world. If you could stand at the rim of a burning crater, would you or would you turn back? 13. Northern Lights, Iceland. Finally, one of Earth's most breathtaking natural shows. The Northern Lights paint the sky with waves of green, pink, and purple. Silently dancing across frozen landscapes. It is one of those rare moments where you realize how alive and magical our planet truly is. Every photo looks unreal, but seeing it with your own eyes must feel life-changing. Every corner of our world hides wonders that most people will never see in person. Some demand courage to reach, others patience to discover, but all remind us just how powerful and creative nature really is. If you enjoyed this little journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. And tell me, out of all these hidden wonders, which one would you visit first?